my players' task like every other game, home and away. And I hope that they are gonna do task 100% good. And only in that case we can expect good result. It's obvious that Barito win. Barito didn't lose 5 games before the last lose. And that this last lose is not only a big surprise, but also put the pressure on Barito to win the game tomorrow. Only what I can say is that Barito have a good period the last months, and not only players but also the coach and staff deserve the compliment for that.
Tentu dari segi mental dan fisik kami semua siap di pertandingan besok. Kami datang ke sini punya motivasi besar untuk bisa memenangkan pertandingan. Ya.
To be honest, we play almost 4 months. We play 4 months. Every game without 5 till 9 players every game, and we still win our games at home. So we change the lost with wins, and I can tell you also that my experience playing against the teams where they don't play key players doesn't mean anything for us. I think that the point is of discipline, focus, and discipline and focus of how big is discipline and focus of my players. And if this is optimal, they can beat everybody in Indonesia.
Play. Don't wait that they come. Play. Don't wait that they come. Go. Up. Bell.